trees. Oh, hear the angels flying. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night. La la dee dum. Okay, let's try another one. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby back to me. I don't need a lot of presents to make my Christmas bright. All I need is Natasha's arms to hold me round real tight. Oh, Santa, hear my plea. Santa, bring my baby back to me.
Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby back to me.
Let's see, what's another good one? Do you see what I see?
What I see.
Do you see what I see?
What he sees.
A star, shining in the night. La-dee-dum, da-da-da-da-dum. It will bring us goodness and joy. And I realize I don't know any of the actual lyrics.
I don't either.
I guess when they're playing Christmas music, I hear it, but I don't really pay attention to the words. Hey everybody, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today, as always, with the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO, everybody. Minobii, niibaa, anami'e, giizhigad.
That's right. Minobii, niibaa, anami'e, giizhigad. Why am I shouting this? Merry Christmas! I guess that's what Santa does. All right, so our Ojibwe word of the day. Merry Christmas. Minobii. You might recognize Mino, like from Mino giizhigad.
Oh, yeah.
Good day. But Minobii is like merry. And then we got niibaa, at night. And then there's anami'e, which means prayer. And then giizhigad, day. Minobii, niibaa, anami'e, giizhigad. Minobii, niibaa, anami'e, giizhigad. Happy at night prayer day. And I think we started calling Christmas that. You know, we didn't have Christmas until the Chamokaman came over.
Oh, yeah, I suppose.
And by that time we were in boarding schools. Mm-hmm. And I think nighttime prayer refers to the midnight mass.
Oh, yeah.
They would have a prayer right at midnight on Christmas Eve. So, all right. Just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone out there. I want to say miigwech for watching our podcast. Oh, and that reminds me. If you're still buying Christmas gifts, a good gift this Christmas, if I can find it out of the glare. All right, well, Counting to 10 in Ojibwe is on sale at Amazon.com, and it's $10. That's not bad, huh? $10?
Nah, it's not much.
So, yeah, buy a copy for somebody you care about, preferably a little kid you want to teach how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. All right. So, all right, that's all I have. You want to add anything, sweetie?
Nah, I'm okay.
All right. Well, hey, just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you again. Gigawa bamin, minawa, hawa. All right, one more. Okay, let's just try it. This will never work. Da, da, da. How's it gonna start? Come, they told me, pa-dum-pa-pum-pum. I have no gift to bring, pa-dum-pa-pum-pum. My finest to bring, pa-dum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Come,
Peace
they
on
told me,
earth.
pa-dum-pa-pum-pum.
Can it be?
When we
Years
come,
from now, perhaps we'll see
pa-da-da-da-da,
David
pa-dum-pa-pum-pum.
Bowie and Bing Crosby. Bing Crosby. Bing Crosby. What was his name?
I think it was Bing Crosby.
Yeah. I don't know. Minobii, niibaa, anami'e, giizhigad. Merry Christmas.